Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link Gcash to Lazada. So the first step that you have to do is open your Lazada application. From here, go ahead and tap on the account at the bottom right. And then from here, just go ahead and click on this view to view all that. And then tap on the payment options from here. So in here, you will see the Gcash. So go ahead and click on that one. So let's just wait. And as you can see, it's redirecting you to the Gcash application. So next is just go ahead and type in here your Gcash account number. Tap on next. And from here, you will have to provide the 6-digit authentication code sent to your registered mobile number. So if you're having issues with not receiving your OTP, so what you're going to do is just go ahead and wait for this to be done. So let's just wait for 200 seconds. And if the OTP is still not being sent to your account or to your SMS, what you're gonna do next is go ahead and turn and off your airplane mode. So like this one, just like that. And there you have it. I have already received my OTP. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type it in here. And then next is to be able to log into your Gcash, you have to enter your 4-digit MPIN. And what you're gonna do is just tap on this. I have read and understood the Gcash terms and conditions. And then go ahead and tap on authorize from here to be able to link your Gcash to Lazada. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!